Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my famous, cheesy, buttery, tasty mixed vegetables. This dish is delicious. For those who cannot get those children to eat those vegetables, you can get this right here and it will happen. It will happen. What I want to show you what you need to do is, I'll be right back to show you what you need to get. Alright, bird's eye got these normally blends. It's the carrots, the squash, the zucchini, the broccoli, all that's in there. It's bird's eye. It's a big old package, cost $5.96 or $5.98. Yes. It comes frozen. So what you need to do is to thaw it out completely and stick a hole at the bottom so to drain all the liquid out the bag. You're going to need to get some ragu double cheese sauce. Then move it into a new house. It's a box instead of a jar. You're going to need some evaporated milk and you're going to need some butter. Okay, you're going to make sure when you put it in this pan that at the bottom here, right in here, it's dry completely. You hear it? It's drying. You're going to make sure this is dry before you put any of those ingredients in there, because you want them to make sure that it's not wet and soggy. So we'll be right back and let you see what we do next. But make sure you put black pepper and salt, whatever seasoning you like, you put on these. But I will put just only salt, and that will be it. Now you can put other things on it, be fine. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm adding the salt. I'm going to just very lightly with salt. Because you can hear that it's almost dry there, and that's a sign knowing that the vegetables are not wet. As you can see, there's no more water in the bottom of the pan. That means no more monkeys jumping in the bed. No more monkeys jumping in the bed. That's my grandbaby, 4 months old, love that song. There's no more monkeys jumping in the bed. You hear that? There's a rhyme. No more monkeys jumping in the bed. So there's no more water in here. So you know you got it correct. So what you're going to do is just turn them over, and you're going to pour the milk and the butter just like that. Good together, just like that. Ooh, that's going to be so delicious. Now you can put garlic in there, whatever you like. You put what you want. It's your preference, but you just doing the recipe the way I do it. And I'm going to put this whole box of this ragu in there. Just like that. Get all cheesy. Perfect, there you go. It's the ragu recipe.